In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the correct installation of your new Eclipse 3.8 to Montero ignition coil adapter plate. The purpose of this plate is to orient your ignition coil in the right way, as the Eclipse valve cover is quite different than the Montero zone. If you have the Eclipse valve cover with your Montero coils, more than likely you're going to experience this, where your wire harness is on this side and the spark plug wire plug is on the other way, therefore putting strain on the wire. This is to eliminate that. First off, we're going to go ahead and remove your ignition coil. So next, we're going to take our ignition coil out and our adapter plate, and we're going to align the holes together. Once you get that done, you'll now insert your M6 bolts into both holes. You're going to insert it in your outermost holes. Alright, this hole closest to the spark plug wire outlet, you go ahead and leave that alone. Now we'll go ahead and go on the other side, and we're going to go ahead and put our flange serrated nut. Now this bolt is a little too short, but rest assured the ones I will supply you will be of adequate length. So now the outcome should look like this, and you're ready to install. Now go ahead and install your plate with your ignition coil. Go ahead and push down there, and now using another third M6 bolt, you will go ahead and install it into your valve cover. Now I'm just going to do this finger tight. Obviously you will use a wrench or a socket or what have you, okay? And there. And this is how you install your new Eclipse to Montero valve cover adapter plate. As you can see, well, once you tighten this down, it won't move at all. It'll keep it pushed down and it won't budge. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or leave a message in the comments. Enjoy.